What's up, Sushi family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to cut salmon for sashimi sushi. We can easily say how to slice salmon for sushi. Sashimi means thinly sliced of fresh raw fish or meat in small pieces, often eaten with soy sauce, wasabi paste, and ginger pickles. So, to make the authentic textures flavored sashimi, we need to cut in a perfect shape. So in this video, you will get very good idea about sashimi cutting technique. Therefore, if you are new in my YouTube channel, let's be Sushi Lovers family, do subscribe for more videos. It's a whole salmon upper side fillet, that is the tail part, which will have more tender meat. That is middle part, and top one is the head part. Also, it's a belly, which you can see here, which contains more fatty part also. First of all, I'm gonna break down in a three part: tail, middle, and head part. It is my own techniques to break down. Every sushi chef, every sushi man, every fishmonger, they have their own techniques. First of all, I'm gonna break down in three part. It's a salmon tail part. Now let's separate middle part, which will have more delicious and fatty belly. I'm gonna separate the head side portion also. First of all, I'm gonna make sashimi from tail side. So I started to clean black segments and gonna separate in a two part, left one and a right one. This black portion we cannot use. Also here is the remaining. I'm going to clean it very properly. Yes, that is the left chunk. I'm going to cut out tender meats, so which we cannot use in the sashimi. It's very chewy. Always we have to clean our knife to balance the sharpness. I'm using here the fish towel paper to clean it. Okay, I will start with Sogui-Zukuri techniques. It's a professional way to slice salmon for sashimi and sushi also. Sogi means to shave. So place your sharp Japanese Hanajiba knife on the top of the salmon fillet with 45-degree angles and smoothly slice almost 5 cm long. And for the thickness, we can use 2 to 3 mm thickness, same as like on this video. Let's see in the slow motion. Start with 45-degree angles and finalize with 90-degree. And the slice will look like this. It looks like wave shaped, as you can see in this video. Normally for nigiri sushi, we can use these Sogui-Zukuri techniques to make nigiri neta. Neta means the slice of salmon, or any kinds of slice of fish, we can say easily neta, which will be on the top of the sushi rice. Now I'm gonna slice the right side part. Firstly, I will clean the tender meat and white part also. It's a Usu-Zukuri technique. Usu-Zukuri technique is the same as like the Sogui-Zukuri techniques, but the salmon sashimi slice will be more thinner. Softly and gently slide the knife through the fish and even wait like this. Of course, the cutting ease of your knife is really important when slicing the Usu-Zukuri. Try to cut as much as thin you can along 5 cm long. Normally to make the curve also, we use this technique to slice salmon sashimi. Let's see in the slow motions. If you are feeling this sushi man is giving good knowledge, let's be Sushi Lovers family and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Let's do subscribe. Beautiful slice of fish will make beautiful pieces of nigiri. Hence, we have to cut in perfect shape and size to make easy bite when we are eating sushi. Now I'm gonna cut salmon middle part. Firstly, I'll separate upper side and belly portion. This salmon sashimi slicing techniques is my best because when you are going to do the platter, it looks like very beautiful, looks like flower. I'll separate with making little diagonal slope angles, shape like this. So my sashimi block looks like this, as you can see here. I'll show you again how to separate it like this. You can use your knife like this kinds of slope. Let's make sashimi slice from this beautiful block. This is very simple and easy sashimi cutting techniques. Simply make your knife 90-degree angles and smoothly make straight slice in the one stroke. Use your whole blade. So slice will be clean cut and will be idle shape, and sashimi slice will look like these ones. Okay, now I'll use Hira-Zukuri technique. Hira-Zukuri is one of the famous and most usable sashimi slicing techniques for all types of fish. First pieces we cannot use. Make your knife blade inward angle and use whole length of knife blade to make perfect sashimi slice. Then slide your sashimi and lay down on the cutting board. Don't let up. You can easily see difference between the front side and back side of sashimi slice. Front side is upstanding, so sashimi will look like this beautiful flower on the platter time. It's very good like this. Now I'm gonna use Hiri-Zukuri techniques, which is my best due to it's very comfortable for beginners to cut salmon sashimi. This idea mainly used for the soft fleshed fish. Salmon slice being straight, make your knife straight and start to slicing using with your finger grip. Always slice with your sharpness of the blade very softly and gently. Otherwise your sashimi slice can be break down. Let's see in the slow motion. And sashimi slice will look like these ones. This is how we can grab sashimi slice with help of the knives, so we can easily move from cutting board to your special sashimi plate. Now I'm gonna make sashimi from the belly part of salmon. That part is my best part due to its content more fat and it's really tasty. Firstly, I wanna clean black portions, then I will separate it. And this part we can use inside the sushi roll. With temaki, even with shirashi sushi, we can use pokeball. Now I'll detach lower belly part, which is more fatty, and upper belly part with help of my idle measurements free of 3 fingers. It's around 6 centimeters. Here I am going to slice the lower belly part with using Sogui-Zukuri techniques, which is same as cutting salmon for nigiri sushi, as you can see already. It's the upper belly part. When we are slicing salmon, we need to check the drain line and should cut opposite direction of the drain, as you can see here. To cut this salmon belly sashimi, we can use Hira-Zukuri or Hiri-Zukuri, both we can apply. I just wanna show you how to cut salmon belly part for sashimi especially. If you are enjoying with this video, let's be Sushi Lovers family. Do subscribe for more videos and give the thumbs up also. Okay, let's do plattings. For sushi decoration ideas, we can use different things, but here I am using cucumber fan and tissuma. Tissuma means the katsuramoki in the very thinly slices katsuramoki of daikon. After eating sashimi or sushi, we can use this as a salad to digest very well. Here I am gonna put all the sashimi, which I already sliced with applying different techniques, and give extra looks. I am using here bamboo sasagiri and butterfly and cucumber pan also. That's it. I hope after watching this video you got some easy and basic knowledge about how to cut salmon for sashimi, so you can apply at your home these sashimi cutting techniques. If you want to see how to fillet whole salmon for sushi, let's see this video. Thanks for watching. Let's give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a sushi day. Thank you.